Imagine owning this enchanting southern-style estate in sought-after North Buckhead, located just seconds to popular shops and restaurants. With a little loving care, this historic house can be restored to its former beauty. The brick walkway leads to a splendid rocking chair front porch overlooking the luscious front lawn. The awe-inspiring chandelier in the dining room has been a focal point for many a dinner party. Each room throughout exudes old-world charm with modern amenities. The bedrooms are spacious and comfortable. The picturesque deck and landscaping in the backyard frames an inground pool that, once restored, will provide hours of entertainment and outdoor gatherings. A potting shed and chicken coop complete the backyard. No hoa,